Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today I'm going to teach you how to do inclined numbering in engineering drawing. This one is vertical numbering. I did this in my last video. The link video is in the description. You can check it out to see how I did this. So now we're going to do inclined numbering. First, let's draw the line. Then we're going to measure it the same way we did this. So now I've measured it. So now we're going to project this line downward like this. Then we are going to measure angle of what? 75 degrees. Angle of 75 degrees is so now in order to replicate the angles, we have to measure the distance. Let me see 15 millimeter. So I will be able to transfer this angle because when we measure up and down, we can join the lines to transfer the angle. It's not like this one. This one, there was no angle, only 90 degrees angle, and that one we already drew it. But without measuring distance, we cannot transfer this angle to the other lines. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. In the same way, we'll do the same thing here. From this point, 18, 15, 10, 18, 18, 18. So now we're going to join these dots. Join the 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 dots. So now this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can now draw it, or we can write the numbers, the inclined numbers. So for 0, this is for 0. 0. Then 1. Then is 2. Then 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7. Then 8. Then finally 9. For this 5, make sure to incline it a little bit here. Let it be a little above this line, like I did here. So that's all. So this is the inclined numbering, and this is the vertical numbering. If you want to see how I did this, the link of the video is in the description below. You can check it out. So that's all. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email within the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.